Shalom everyone. Today we will talk about Chag Hanukah, the holiday of Hanukah, that will take place this week and the following. When we think about the meaning and the essence of Hanukah, it is a well-known fact that there are two main reasons for why do we celebrate Hanukah. The first reason is that they found Pach HaShemen, the jar of oil that lasted for 8 days instead of 1 day. But the second reason is the war, the great victory of the Hashmonaim over the Hellenistic Empire, defeating them. And according to the Rambam Maimonides in the Laws of Hanukah in chapter Gimel, in the 3rd chapter, the Hashmonaim were able to regain the authority, the Jewish authority over the land of Israel for more than 200 years. But the problem or the issue, the challenge that we have is, how can we have two what seems to be, at first glance, almost mutually exclusive reasons for the celebration of Hanukkah? On one hand, a focus on physical victory, war, and on the other hand, a spiritual miracle. How do we integrate them together? How can we have one Chag, one holiday, that has two reasons that seems to be that are in conflict with each other? Now I would like to suggest to you the following idea. Hanukah comes from the word chinuch, which means education. What does it mean to educate a person? In my opinion, it's to give him or her the tools to be able to understand that a reality is not only through one view, through one angle, through one aspect. Every reality has multiple aspects, has multiple ways to see a reality. And if you are really well educated, you will know how to sift, how to analyze, how to balance different opinions, and to harmonize them into one understanding, true understanding of the reality that we face. Hanukah creates for us a challenge. How do we integrate physicality and spirituality? How do we integrate the divine and the mundane? How do we combine the holiness and the day-to-day actions that we do every day? When we kindle the Chanukiah, the menorah, and we sing the songs, and we let it burn for at least 30 minutes, let's think about this question. It may be even the question of our lives. How do we bring together the Chol and the Kodesh, the mundane and the holiness? How do we create an education that is all-encompassing, that has the strong base and the openness to other opinions? This is the question of our lives. Hanukah.